It's not entirely clear whether the Xiaomi Mi 7 will launch on 23rd of May, let alone come to India, but latest leak concerning Mi 7 cases shows what the phone might look like. First spotted by Gizmochina, the case itself isn't anything spectacular, but it does offer some insight into the Xiaomi flagship device. The first thing of significance is the existence of a 3.5mm headphone jack, which will be a relief for users who are accustomed to wired headphones. Most premium devices this year seem to shedding the headphone jack to make phones slimmer. Next to the headphone jack on the bottom, there's a USB Type-C port assuring faster charging than the conventional micro USB 2.0 port. This isn't entirely surprising since the Mi 7 is a Xiaomi flagship phone and should, ideally, come with top-shelf features. The bottom of the phone case also reveals the location of the speaker grills. The second image of the Mi 7 case shows a gap for the camera along the back big enough to encompass a vertical dual-camera setup. The space for the power button and volume controls is reserved for the right side. Rumor has it. Like we mentioned before, the Mi 7 doesn't have a lot of concrete information to its name, but there are plenty of rumors and speculations to give us a decent idea of what the phone might be like. So far, it is hypothesized that the phone will have the Snapdragon 845 chipset paired with 6GB RAM. Some leaks go so far as to conject that there may even be an 8GB RAM model in the works. It's likely that the Mi 7 will come in two variants, one with 64GB storage and the other with 128GB ROM. Like the Mi Mix 2S, the Mi 7 is meant to support Qi wireless charging to help charge its 3350 mAh battery. Arguably, the most significant leak was the video render of the new Xiaomi device by Tech Configurations. It shows the phone's design in great detail, including the OLED display with a notch, a 20-megapixel selfie camera and a 3D face recognition feature. The more compelling aspect is how the notch can be hidden when watching videos. All in all, while a lot of people are hoping that the Mi 7 will come to India, it seems unlikely considering that they never launched the Mi 6 here after debuting the Mi 5 in 2016.